Let me give you a little slay. Little slay. This is Broadway Beauty powder pencil, red chocolate brown. I don't know where I got this from, but I like it. It almost feels like a Lancome eyebrow pencil. I like the color. I usually go dark. I wanted to do a little lighter today. You know what? I think I'm just going to use this Black Opal Flawless Concealer in tan. And I'm just going to draw. Trying to do as fast as I can today. I'm just going to use my foundation for my brow area, and today the foundation I'm trying is the Huda Beauty foundation in color Mocha. It's a little on the red side, but that's okay. I wanted to give it a shot, so I got a sample from Sephora. They didn't have too many color options. I'm pretty yellow, and I didn't feel like I was finding anything that was my match, and this was the closest I can try. Today I am in the mood for a very natural finish, natural look. I'm going to go over my eye with the same Black Opal tan concealer. I'm going to blend it in with my Wet Beauty sponge. Wait, what? What's going on? Why isn't that moving? What? I don't have anything in my eye. Why is it acting like that? All I have on my face is lotion. What is this action that's going on? Is it just the oil on my eye that's acting up? I'm going to try it one more time, and if it acts up again, I'm just going to have to try another. Maybe I should just use the brush first. Blend it in. I'm not digging this Black Opal much. So I'm going to go over my eye with my foundation, this Huda Beauty foundation. Just because I need this a little bit more wet and tacky than it's given me. I'm just using this Fit Me powder and toffee. Just a little touch. Just set it. The palette that I want to try today is the Carli Bybel. I have had, this was, can y'all see? Let me turn one light on. Carli Bybel. And this was her collaboration with BH Cosmetics. This is years ago. It doesn't say what year, but this was my first palette, YouTube inspired first palette that I bought. And these are the colors. Washed out. Let's give a little color here. Here we go. These are the colors. I bought this soft light boxes, and I've tried it once. I haven't edited it, so I don't know. Edit up. I haven't edited that video, so I don't know how it looks exactly. So I'm going to be playing with the lights to see exactly what is going to work. Guys, come in closer. Come on. All right. Okay. Just packing this color. It's really cool though that she provides a mirror for you in this palette. I like that. Though I have hooded eyes, I have a pretty good size eyelid, so that's nice at least, you know. So this is what I'm using. This is what I put on my eyelid, and I think I'm going to mix this and this color and put that on my brow bone right here. Next, I'm going to go in with this brown. It's almost tan, brownish color. And I'm going to pack that in here. Drag it a little bit. Brown shadow, and I'm going to just use that in the corner right here to give me some depth, some definition to my eye. Trying to make my eye, the corner, recede a little bit there. Going through the eyeball, the ball of the eye, the socket. And just blend, 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 blend. I feel like I need a touch of pink or something. I'm going to use a black eye pencil as a liner, not water liner or liquid liner. I feel like I need a little pink, so I think I'm gonna go in with this color here. A little bit of that before I do my face. Make sure I clean around here. Look at all this fall out on my face. I'm gonna go find a black eye pencil so I can line my eyes and put my lashes on. You just gotta make sure your eye pencil is nicely sharpened, very sharp. This is Wet n Wild. It's a very soft pencil, so it glides on very nicely. I like that. And it's jet black. So I'm curling my eyelash down, get a little bit straightened out the way. I'm gonna stack a couple of lashes on. These are some old lashes that I've been wearing from Amazon, so I don't have the name, pardon me. So now I'm going to beat my face. I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty foundation. Wow. Smells really nice. Ooh, the foundation is red. Red kinda. Just wanted to see how smooth it can get, or, you know, the coverage. I didn't want to bother buying something that I haven't tried. Don't know how it's gonna look. Because I don't want to purchase something and have to take it back, especially when it's makeup. It's just so nasty to me. It's very full finish. Very, very full finish. I think I might end up buying it. It's a very nice coverage. And I mean, a little bit goes a long way. I got this little tiny thing, and I still have some left in here, which I can definitely use next time. I'm going in with my favorite concealer, which is the NARS Curl Medium Dark. I love this concealer. Go in with this e.l.f. This is in color light, and I'm just gonna put that here to brighten up a little bit. Oof, that's dark. That is dark. You know, I'm shiny. That is dark. All you need is just a touch for that one. Yeah, I'm gonna have to blend this out. And then the rest of it, I am going to use the Beauty Blender. I think I'm just going to use the brown shadow from Lancome Scene and just put that under. I'm going to put mascara. I'm going to put this Dior lash primer in my lower lash. See if I can find a brown blush. I think this might work. This is the Sahara Blush Volume 2. Just gonna buff it away. Girl, she looking cute. She looking cute. Lip. Okay, so I have this tiny Fashion Fair lip pencil called Blaze, and I've had this. It was a sample, not a sample, but you know when I do gift time, I got this in the gifts, and I've had it forever. I'm going to use it today. I want to say congratulations to Ron Karaji on her marriage and her new bundle of joy. She probably won't see this, but if you know Ron Karaji personally, just let her know that I'm happy for her. I've been following her for a while. And I'm happy that she got married. She's pregnant. It's beautiful times, guys. Beautiful times. I've been wanting to wear this lipstick. I don't know if this is the eye look for this lipstick, but I don't care. I'm just gonna wear it. Just going to blend it. Ow, ow. Knowing me, I probably have lipstick in my teeth. Oh, this is what's been spilling. Wow.